Hello guys, welcome to Learning Bytes Tutorials. My name is Niyanti. आज की वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं syllabus plus exam tips for computer education subject for first year GNM. So let's begin now. This is your complete syllabus which is being displayed onto the screen. The placement is for first year and the total time duration required for this whole course is of 35 hours. Here is the course description. This course is designed to help students gain a basic understanding of uses of computers and its application in nursing. Here are the general objectives for the course. Unit number 1, Introduction to Computers and Disk Operating System. The learning objective is describe the structure and purpose of computers and disk operating system. Definition of computer, classification of computer, that is mini computer, microcomputer, supercomputer, etc. Structure and parts of computer, that means control unit, arithmetic unit, memory unit of CPU, then input unit and output unit comprising of input devices and output devices respectively. Disk operating system and Windows operating system as well as all versions of Windows. Last point is of purpose and use of computer in healthcare delivery system, that is use of computer in nursing field. The total time duration for this chapter is 5 hours. Teaching learning activities are as follows: lecture cum discussion and practical. Assessment methods are based on short answers, essay type and practical. If you're interested for classes, then you can contact on the Gmail which is provided below, that is learningbytestutorials@gmail.com. हमारा जो पैकेज है फॉर कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट हम आर्ली बेसिस पे चार्ज करते हैं. तो अगर आप एक लेक्चर लोगे तो उसके हम 500 रुपीज़ लेते हैं. यूजुअली 3 लेक्चर्स में एक चैप्टर कवर हो जाता है. एंड अगर आप 3 लेक्चर्स पहले ही प्री बुक कर लेते हैं तो आपको उस पर डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है 300 रुपीज़ का. यूजुअली अगर आप इंडिविजुअल लेक्चर्स बुक करेंगे तो 500 रुपीज़ पर आवर के हिसाब से 3 लेक्चर्स के आपको 1500 का पेमेंट करना रहता है. बट अगर आप 3 लेक्चर्स एक साथ प्री बुक करते हैं तो आपको टोटल पे करना रहता है 1200. यूनिट नंबर 2, MS Office, wherein Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint Access, and Microsoft Publisher document are the topics which will be taught in this chapter number 2. Coming to learning objectives, demonstrate skill in the use of Microsoft Office. The teaching learning activities are a little bit different here as compared to first chapter. Lecture cum discussion, demonstration and practice session. The reason being practice session is included because this particular chapter contains a lot of practical hands-on experience as compared to chapter number 1. In chapter 1, it is more based on theoretical aspect. Assessment methods are as follows. Coming to unit number 3, demonstrate skill in using multimedia is a learning objective. Chapter name is multimedia, wherein we are going to learn types of multimedia and uses. Types of multimedia, 5 elements of multimedia, that is text, image, video, audio, etc. Then database creation, retrieval and report generation. Computer aided teaching and testing. The total time duration is 5 hours. Teaching learning activities are as follows: an assessment method, short answers, objective type and practical exam. Coming to unit number 4, demonstrate the use of internet and email is the learning objective. Chapter number 4 is use of internet and email, wherein we will learn how to access the website, searching the internet for content, accessing the email and communicating with the help of it, use of internet communication programs, Skype. The total time duration allotted is for 10 hours. Teaching learning activities for chapter number 4 consist of lecture cum discussion and demonstration. Assessment methods include short answer, objective type and practical exam. First of all, while giving your exam, you should focus on learning objectives because these are the outcomes, general objectives of chapter. Okay, each chapter has these particular objectives and usually questions in your exam are framed on basis of this content which is being displayed here. Okay, the learning objective of chapter number 1. So in chapter number 1, you should usually focus on structure and purpose of computer and disk operating system. In chapter number 2, it's practical based, so you should have apt knowledge of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, publish a document. Okay, all these things are important because there's practice session even here, which is mentioned in teacher learning activities. Hence, you will be having a practical exam for this chapter. For chapter number 3, multimedia, there's practical exam, so you need to focus on B point, that is database creation, retrieval, and report generation. For unit number 4, whole theoretical as well as practical part, both of them are important. So I hope आप सबको basic knowledge मिल गई होगी computer education syllabus की. Do share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get notified every time when I upload a new video. If you have any queries, you can contact on the email provided below, learningbitestutorials@gmail.com. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.